Hey guys, it's Tuesday before the podcast, but I wanted to do this unboxing book, but I wanted to open it because it just arrived. You may remember last week I talked about a promotion with Tullamore Dew, where you get a bottle of whiskey, you get some swag stuff like a beanie and some shot glasses. You also get 12 meat patties from a guy named Pat LaFrieda Meat Purveyors in New Jersey. They're trying to get people to stop spelling it St. Patty with two T's, and St. Patty with two D's is what they want. So anyway, I bought this thing, and I've got it right here, and I'm going to open it up in front of us and check it out. See how it is when you do a web promotion like this. So here's the box it came in. Pretty decent box. Came in next day air. Savor. Oh man. You know, some people try to hide their home address. I don't care. Send me something. The guy across the street, he knows where I live, so what difference does it make? St. Paddy's Day. Consider this a tasty spelling season. Of course. A little postcard. Do or brew. D-E-W, a brew. You do one part of whiskey, beer of your choice, sip a brew, sip a beer, enjoy, repeat. I do that quite a bit. It's Paddy, not Patty. Cool. I'm down with that. Packing slip. St. Paddy's Day. What is this? A sticker? A bumper sticker. Oh, that's awesome. You know what? Styrofoam is noisy. Anyway. Ice, of course. Here is, there's my hoodie. I mean, not my hoodie, my beanie with Tullamore Dew on it. That's kind of cool. There's some more ice. There's supposed to be some kind of coupon to get the jug of whiskey. Let's see, this is probably the shot glasses. Yes, it is. Not broken. And they are cold. Check it out. Tullamore Dew shot glass. Awesome. Nice. You get one, you get two. Come on, man. Two shot glasses for St. Patrick's Day. That's kind of cool. And then you got brisket, beef belly, and chuck burger patties. 4 patties in each. And no coupon that I can find yet for the bottle of whiskey. Let me put this ice back in here. No more ice. Yes, there is. That's cool. And I'm going to put all that in the fridge in the other room. There's supposed to be something where you, oh, here we go. These are instructions on how to handle your meat. Haha, drink. Yes, I said it. Put my sticker back in there. Sticker right over here, I guess. You're supposed to be able to go online to Drizzly and get a jug of whiskey. Visit drizzly.com to order Tullamore Dew in time for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, $5 off a bottle. A code to order a bottle of Tullamore Dew to your door. True. Okay, a bottle of Tullamore Dew. Not a bottle of Tullamore Dew for $5 off. Man. Well. You know what? When you don't disclose shit, here's a tip. If you're going to do a thing like this, disclose everything, details. I thought it was a bottle of Tullamore Dew. It says the Drizzly code to order a bottle of Tullamore Dew. Each St. Paddy's Day patty includes 2 Tullamore Dew shot glasses, got them. A beanie, got them. A drink recipe card, got them. A Drizzly code to order a bottle of Tullamore Dew to your door. Well, to me, that's a whole bottle of Tullamore Dew. That's not $5 off. Come on, man. I feel like I got tooken. Here's the code. $5 off. Not a bottle, $5 off. Not a happy camper. Okay, so that's why we do it. That's why we go through the things for you, the viewer. Well, fiddlesticks. This is what they call shenanigans in Ireland, and they call it that here too. Got my shot glass. Got my beanie. Cool. Supposed to get a card with a recipe on the back. Look at this recipe. Here's a recipe. beer and whiskey. Pour yourself a shot of whiskey, get the beer of your choice, and that's the drink recipe. Really? That's the drink recipe? Come on, man. Here's the next thing. The promotion says, I'm just going to circle this again, just so we're clear. Let's be clear. Yes, the bottle, the buns, and the condiments are not included with the product. Got it. Cool. No problem. Each St. Paddy's Day patty includes 2 Tullamore Dew shot glasses. Check. 1 beanie. Check. 1 drink recipe card. If you can call that a recipe, is that a recipe? It's like rum and Coke. Get rum, get Coke. That's a recipe. I guess it's a recipe, but come on. Anyway, a Drizzly code to order a bottle of Tullamore Dew to your door. I mean, maybe they're playing with the words, but come on. That leads you to believe you're going to get a bottle brought to your door with this code. That's not what happens. You know, I like whiskey. I like Maker's Mark. I like Jameson. I like Bushmills. I like Tullamore Dew, but I don't like this. This is some bullshit. Ugh. So anyway, let's play the game. Let's go to Drizzly. You go to Drizzly, guess what? Any Joe Blow off the street gets $5 off. You just show up. You don't even have to have a card. You don't have to have $100 worth of hamburger patties, which is another thing. Come on, man. $85 plus $20 shipping overnight. These things are probably worth $5 a piece. So that's 10. This thing here is probably worth 10, so that's 20. So that covers the shipping. So $85 for 12 hamburgers? I don't know. They better be good damn hamburgers. So anyway, let's blow this off. I don't want to do this. Yes, I'm 21. I'm going to go ahead and look for Tullamore Dew. Tullamore Dew, Irish whiskey, plain old, whatever. First one on the list. $7.50 bottles, $28. Here, put my address in there. There we go. Oh, it's $26. Even better. That's a deal. Let's add it to the cart. Add to cart. You hit the minimum. Great for delivery. Guess what? Code Drizzly Nation applied, which gives me $5 off. Okay, so I'm going to remove this code and use my code on this card. The code on this card is Paddy, not Patty. PADDYNOTPATTY. Apply. Guess what? The code is $4.99. The same as any Joe off the street can get. And guess what else they do? There's a $2 service fee. Okay, thanks. Delivery fee. Oh, and they took it upon themselves to tip the guy. Before I've spent a nickel, they're going to tip somebody. And guess what? The store that I'm getting it from, the store where this is coming from, it's right down the street. Goody goody White Rock Lake. It's right down the road. Oh. So, if I'm rating this from a marketing perspective of a guy that's in the merch business and marketing business, this is bullshit. From a consumer perspective, this is real bullshit. Come on. Ugh. Anyway, fail. Scale of 1 to 5, 1. Ugh. I'm not going to buy a jug of Tullamore Dew. Come on, and tip somebody. I mean, the tip is $2.69. The service fee is $1.99. So you've already spent your $5 coupon. Plus, you've got a delivery fee on top of that. It's just bogus. I hope they see this. Ending it now. Bad.